Hello guys, it's Jemila of circumspect.com and I'm back with yet another turban tutorial. So you know how some mornings or some days you literally don't feel like doing anything, or you have to run to the market or run an errand and you don't want to go through the hassle of trying to make sure that everything looks, perfect or whatever. Well, this turban is perfect for those kinds of days. It's the Wrap Go Turban and it's really simple. Literally all you need is a piece of African print cloth or any other cloth that will hold and 5 minutes of your time. So let's get right into it. And that's it. Voila! You're ready to wrap and you just go. So it's really simple. I don't think this even took 5 minutes. So just to run you through the process again real quick, you have your African print cloth. It should be very wide. It doesn't need to be too long. And then you take it to the back. Make sure the two ends are even. And when you bring it, you just bring it into a twist and you just keep twisting that until the whole length of it is twisted, and then you take it and you wrap it around, and whatever is left you tuck it in. But of course, if you want to dress up this turban look a bit, it's really simple. You don't have to do too much, and I'll just show you real quick. I'm just gonna powder my face a bit. Typically, I don't wear makeup on the weekends because I like my skin to breathe, and so I typically just have shea butter from Kaime, and I also usually do wear eyeliner, kohl eyeliner or black eyeliner. So normally that's what I would have. So there's my powder just for my face. And today I'm not going to put on any kohl eyeliner. I'm just going to put on a little bit of a nude lipstick. And that's it. And if I really wanted to dress it up, of course I could add some long tassel earrings, and that would be a good look. I hope this video was useful to you and that you've gotten two ways that you can wear this turban. One with the whole shebang of makeup, even though this is really light, and the other one where you just go au naturel. If you do end up doing this tutorial, all you need to do is take a photo and post it online. Use the hashtag TurbanistaGH, and then I will be able to see it, and maybe I'll be able to feature it in my next video. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was a fun and easy tutorial for you and that you can get right to doing it. If you have any requests for specific turban styles, let me know. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing more tips, tricks, insights, and musings. And of course, do share this video with your friends and let's get those turbans popping. Bye guys. Hi guys, just testing before we start the turban tutorial. Oh. Testing mic 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. We about to get this turban tutorial off the hook. Off the hook.